increased after a 2-1 loss at Brighton left them 13 points adrift of Tottenham. Wenger's come up with an unusual way of describing how criticism of him and his players is making them feel.
When you have just the trousers on, it's easy to take them trousers off as well, but when you're naked completely, I think you have to find the shirt and try to put it on again, and when you're dressed normally again. So the environment around the team, when we go for a tough period like that, is always to put them more down.
Man City beat Chelsea by a goal to nil at the Etihad. Tonight, Manchester United can regain second place with a win at Crystal Palace. Kick-off at Sellers Park is at 8 o'clock. The Six Nations is back this week. Ireland
Christy.
I love you.
I heard that.
I was talking to you, love.
Oh no, that's it.
Look, the Renault Traffic was Ireland's best-selling and best-loved medium van in 2017. Now with 3% APR, 5 years warranty and roadside assistance.